Hello, my Diamond in the Rough fam. Today I'm in Barcelona, Spain. I'm taking a stroll over to La Rambla market, so come along with me to see what I see. But first, hit that subscribe button. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Thousands of people visit the La Rambla area, so it's very crowded, but there's so much to see. Now take a look at this market. It is beautiful. You cannot visit Barcelona and not go here. In this market, you have fresh meat, cooked meat, you have nuts, you have plants, you have just about everything. Look at all this goodies, but you got to go there hungry. Before returning to my hotel, I was craving tapas. I was referred to this location. Everything is open pretty late. I am still in the La Rambla district. Everything was very good. Look at all that food again. Yes, I'm still eating. I recommend these two restaurants that you will see right here for the best tapas in the La Rambla district. And just like that, it's time to leave Barcelona. Thank you for watching my channel. Now hit that subscribe button. And remember, time waits for no one. So get on out there and do you. Stay safe, my Diamond in the Rough fam. See you soon.